Welcome back to the channel. In today's deep dive, we're counting down the top 5 best Wi-Fi routers of 2025 built for everything from hardcore gaming to ultra-stable streaming and smart home connectivity. We'll break down performance, coverage, features, and who each router is best for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Number 1. TP-Link AXE 5400 Tri-Band Wi-Fi 6E Archer AXE75. Kicking off the list is the TP-Link Archer AXE75, an affordable Wi-Fi 6E tri-band router that brings blazing speed and futuristic performance into your home. Wi-Fi 6E tri-band with access to the 6 GHz band. AXE5400 speed, up to 5.4 gigabits per second, covers 500 square foot, 40-plus devices. WPA3, VPN, and one mesh supported. Ideal for household streaming in 4K per 8K. Light to moderate gamers. Smart homes with 30 to 50 connected devices. Pros: excellent 6 GHz support for future-proofing. One mesh for easy network expansion. Gigabit ports with MU-MIMO support. Number 2. Netgear Nighthawk RAX54 SAX5400 Dual-Band Wi-Fi 6 Router. Next up is a fan favorite, the Nighthawk RAX54S. This beast is great for medium to large homes and comes bundled with Netgear Armor for built-in security. AX5400 Dual-Band Wi-Fi 6, up to 2,500 square feet coverage, 25 devices. 1-year Armor cybersecurity included. Up to 5.4 gigabits per second total speed. Ideal for families with multiple gamers, people working from home, streaming-heavy households. Pros: advanced parental controls, easy setup via Nighthawk app, high-speed, low-latency Wi-Fi. Number 3. TP-Link Tri-Band B9300 Wi-Fi 7 Router Archer B550. Wi-Fi 7 is here, and the TP-Link Archer B550 is leading the charge with B9300 speeds, built-in 2.5G ports, and 6 powerful internal antennas. Wi-Fi 7 tri-band up to 9.3 gigabits per second. Dual 2.5G Ethernet ports. Covers 2,000 square foot, 100-plus devices. Supports Easy Mesh and VPN. Ideal for early adopters and smart homes, streamers and video editors, users with multi-gig internet. Pros: ultra-fast speeds, compact form factor, future-ready with Wi-Fi 7. Number 4. TP-Link Archer B6500 Wi-Fi 7 Archer B400. The Archer B6500 is a serious Wi-Fi 7 workhorse ideal for families who want blazing speed, serious coverage, and next-gen security all in one router. Dual-band Wi-Fi 7 B6500. Quad-core CPU plus dual 2.5G ports. 90 device capacity and 2,400 square feet coverage. Home Shield IoT protection VPN USB 3.0. Ideal for smart homes with dozens of devices, families with multiple online users, home offices needing consistent uptime. Pros: private IoT network support, fast and stable under load. USB 3.0 for media servers. Number 5. Asus RT AX82U AX5400 Gaming Router. And finally, the Asus RT AX82U, the best-looking router on this list, designed specifically for gamers with low-latency optimization and RGB flare. Dual-band Wi-Fi 6 AX5400. Mobile game mode, game port, Aura RGB lighting, iMesh plus Instant Guard VPN. Ideal for gamers on consoles or PC, RGB fans, people needing customizable network tools. Pros: outstanding QoS for gaming, VPN and security features built in, expandable with AI mesh routers. So there you have it, the top 5 best Wi-Fi routers of 2025. Whether you're gaming, working from home, or running a smart home, there's a router here for you. Drop a comment with your favorite, and don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay ahead in tech.